This is it.
Now I'm back, blah. Alright, we're gonna start blowing up my grinder, cause, well, our grinder, I don't know why I said mine, but, you know, cause you're never on, and you're never, like, really here.
Yeah, don't take all
the credit for this.
credit, Jesus, I fell.
Jeez. So, the server's resetting, so, wait, do you have a flint and steel on you? Cause I'm gonna give you half of the TNT. And if you feel like you're gonna die, then just, you know. I don't know, I think we should keep some of the TNT for, like, blowing up something else. I don't know. But, whatever, I guess. Should we raid the top of the grinder? Or should we just leave this stuff there? Should we or not?
We can leave it there. We can just blow everything.
Down here, up, okay.
Why do you respawn so, like, late?
Late?
Late.
Cause
yeah, I talk, and then you're like 3 seconds later, you're like,
it's cut, cause you're cutting out. That's why. But anyways, so I guess we'll start. Wait, I want to make sure we don't have anything important in the chest first. Which I'm pretty sure we don't. Oh, where's Chester's secret chest? Alright, I came back to the grinder and look at Chester had a secret chest under here, and he thought it was hidden.
Let me see. Where?
It had pots and shit in it, and then he went to go get the pots, and then I went like. I was gonna hit you off, but I realized you had TNT on you. And I hit him off the world, and he was like, I had all my pots on me, you stupid douchebag. I was just like, oh, well, sorry. They're gonna blow up anyways.
Oh, hey, there's enchant books. Efficiency 4.
Yeah, none of those are really good, but...
Oh, that's pretty good.
Alright, I don't know what's in here that's really good, but whatever. Take it up soon. I don't know.
Okay, I'm placing TNT.
Don't, like, place TNT everywhere, just, like... Holy
Why
shit.
not?
I'm not here just to waste it all. Like, holy shit.
Why not place it? Well, the server's resetting it.
Because I'm gonna use the TNT to blow up other stuff.
Isn't it?
Watch out! Oh! Look at all those ender pearls!
There we go. That's a lot of water.
Holy shit.
Right. Look at all the water. Okay, now give me some. Give me the flint steel. I wanna do it or not.
Oh yeah. Here, this is for you. I'm sorry. No. Why are you using so much TNT? I hope you know I have to use this TNT to blow up other stuff as well. You know that, right? Wait, I got this one. Fuck, never mind. I don't. Oh!
Yeah, but like, why not just have a special occasion? Oh, or you can kill me.
I didn't mean to. You already used half of your TNT. And I
no?
only used,
like when you broke a lot of it, you.
Oh,
Gimme.
Oh, never mind. It's here. I don't know.
Now where'd
What?
that flint and steel go?
I don't know.
I have potion of night vision.
Oh, here. Oh, it's right here. It's right there.
Oh, whoa! I didn't even know that was there.
Wait, do you have another one?
Hey, a boat. There you go. Bye. Another boat?
Another potion of night vision. Oh, dude, all the quartz is just blowing up.
Quartz? You used quartz? Oh, here's a night vision book. Why use quartz on something so... Oh, I fucking love quartz.
No response again. Who is he talking to? I don't even care. He may or may not be talking to me.
Oh, wait, what happened? What just happened? I just had the flint steel in my lap.
I don't know.
Like, inventory, now it's gone.
I don't know. Dude,
do you have it?
Holy shit.
Can I see it? Oh. It doesn't matter, it's gonna blow up like a lot of it. Just shoot it. Ow.
I know. I don't really think that's blowing up anything.
Can you accept that, please?
Hmm.
Oh, gee.
What's up?
Jesus, that blew up a lot, actually.
Yeah, it did.
No.
It blew up like the main thing. Wait, how much TNT did you have on you?
I didn't have anything on me when I just popped.
Oh, I have no idea then.
Yeah, we like basically
I don't know, do we want to blow up more or no?
blew up everything, almost. Not really, but...
If I had sponge, I would soak up all this water and keep blowing. But like the water being here, like
no, you
really no point in
can
trying.
do that. You can do that in 1.8. Not.
No, you can no. Thank God for water glitching. I probably would have fell out of the world.
That would have been so funny. That would have been so
Yeah,
fucking
but
hilarious.
usually in water parkour, I get teleported behind you, so. Or water parkour, I meant PvP. No shit, no, please, no.
Oh my god, that's funny.
Fuck
Go
me.
in it.
No.
Go.
Holy shit. No.
Go. Go.
Fuck off.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. Wait, where'd you go?
At the top.
You're gone.
Oh shit. Forgot about the redstone.
Oh god. I'm at the bottom.
I'm at the top.
I'm gonna try to ender pearl up. Here.
Yeah, you do that. You do that.
I failed. Okay, so what the fuck?
What? Don't do that. What are you
Break
doing?
it off. Break it off. Why not? We're breaking it.
No, don't take down the redstone torches, because then like I can just like place the TNT down and it will just like blow up everything like this.
Oh, oops.
Did you seriously do that all the way down there? Oh my god. Oh, no,
All the way
never
down.
mind.
Oh shit, I kind of.
See, like that, I can just remove pressure plate and it blows. Doesn't really blow up a
see.
lot though. That's
Nope.
what sucks.
Oh, okay. I'm so bad.
Hold on. Wait, what were you saying?
I wanted to TP to you.
Oh, you're so dumb.
Hey,
Oh, okay.
I'll break some pressure plates over here for you.
I don't know. I'm just like blowing up things.
You think I can make this jump like the?
I don't really
Breaking
think I need
pressure
to
plates
really
for you.
like blow up all this really.
Yo, throw some down. Throw down some TNT. Like break a block right below you and throw some TNT down. Yeah, throw some TNT down. Come on.
I don't know, just start placing stuff. I never thought that one day I'd be raiding my own Enderman grinder. This thing was shit anyways, I think. Because I built
damn
it
it.
wrong. Oh no! No! Fuck!
I'm blowing it up.
I literally ender pearled right next to where it was gonna blow up.
That's funny.
Like I literally ender pearled right into
Oh,
the
ender pearl right
TNT
here.
thing. Dang, you're doing better than me, like I don't know.
I'm so good at this.
Ah, you fucking faggot. Ah, shit. No, fuck, no. Okay.
Where did you land? Where did you land?
Oh, shit,
Yeah,
no.
I wanna
Nigger.
see.
Oh,
Where'd you land?
fuck.
Where?
Oh, shit. Fuck off, Enderman.
Accept that. Oh, accept that. Where are you? Oh.
Alright.
I think we successfully like blew up, griefed our own undergrinder.
Yep, pretty much. Alright, well, I'll be right back. Fuck. Anyways, guys, so this is basically what happened to my grinder, and I just TP'd someone here because they TP'd me, you know, whatever. Hi, and, yeah, Enderman grinder. Or R. God damn it. Anyways, whatever. So, I don't really know, but I guess some of the chests, but a lot of these chests are still full of ender pearls. But anyways, the Enderman grinder was kind of sucky anyways, I think, because, well, I'm just gonna keep these ender pearls here because, you know, whatever, because I might need some, but whatever. So, I don't know, I might destroy some more, I don't really know, but yeah. or I'll just keep this way. I don't really know. I'll talk to you guys later. Oh, and also, the person I was with, his channel link will be in the description if I remember to put it there, or just search up like Not Thrilled or something, and you should find his channel, whatever, you know. So